Because what you dream, you are not thinking. You are simply dreaming. Are you getting? Dream becomes an important issue because in the dream, you are not thinking. But whatever is resisted in you, that is coming in the form of a dream. And therefore, a person says, oh doc, I am moving in a dark room and I am not able to see anything, and this is the dream that I get. And you will take dreams of darkness, dreams of moving in the night, dreams of moving in the dark. This is not going to help you. This is what we are doing. Yes or no? But ask them, tell about this dream properly. Let me understand this dream. They will tell you. So I move and it's a dark room and I can't see anything, and I'm moving in that room and I'm a little scared at that point of time, and you know there is something, I think a pen or something, it just falls on, and I'm like shaken with this. This is the dream. Then ask which part of the dream really affected you. Now it could be moving in the room, it could be the dark room, it could be this pen that has fallen. You do not know. It could be you can't see anything. You do not know. And then that person out of all this picks up. And a simple example I'll give you. You have gone to see a movie. Okay? You have seen a movie and you have come back and you have liked it. You happen to meet your friend two days later. And you happen to tell, I went to see this movie. Okay? Now the friend tells you, tell about that movie. Now what you saw? Are you going to tell everything from the start to the end? You are going to tell only some screenshots of that movie. Yes or no? But do you know what you are telling? You are telling that has really touched you the most in the movie. Only that much you vividly know. Rest all the movie you will not know. For sure, out of the 2 hours movie, you will not know. But only that scenario of 15 minutes that you can capture very well. Who captures it? It is this vital force that captures. Why did it capture? Because it has got something that falls in its radar. It is in its own radar that is falling. That clip is falling in that radar, not in your radar. I am sure none of you all over here must have fallen in love with anybody. For sure, nobody must have fallen. But if you ever ask anybody who has fallen in love, what did you really like in that girl? Yeah, I liked her. But what did you really like? Yeah, day and night in the hostel, you are not there 24/7. You are on the mobile talking, sitting on that corridor over there. And this, I liked her. I love her. Yeah. Arey Baba, but what exactly do you really love in her? Her beautiful hair. Nonsense. Because love is abstract. Love is an aura. You cannot describe love. Are you there? Love cannot be described at all. Love is experience. If you ask anybody, they will tell you love is to experience and it cannot be described in words. That's why it is said, love at first sight, divorce at first bite. It's an aura. And it's Newton's law. Equal and opposite. Crack you not, crack you this. Quickly you split up. Because it's all something that is an aura. And you simply fall into that aura. And therefore, whatever clip you ask of that film, it is not you who decide. It is this vital force who sees that thing and it sticks to the vital force, not to a memory. Well, that we learn so many remedies. You see, some people are very good in some remedies. Yes or no? And some people are good in other remedies. And you see, in a quiz competition, if you see a group of 8 to 10 people, one will answer that question which nobody else will know. Other will answer that question which these people will not know. Because that something in them has fixed that thing. Same way, cravings for that matter. No, from today I will decide that I will start loving chilies. No, every day morning, evening, I'll have chilies. I'll start developing craving. Can you develop? It cannot develop. And therefore you will see two friends when they are going for shopping, there is always an argument. What, every time you are choosing dark color? And the other person, what a dull shade you always wear here. argument begins, because it begins from here. But who is it that chooses that light color? It is that aura of that vital force. Who is that chooses the dark color in the aura of that particular vital force? But nobody listens to the vital force. Everybody wants to be wise, wisdom. I know. I have the knowledge. But remember, when we do the cases, knowledge has got no role to play at all. And that is the reason, 84 aphorism. That is the reason what Hanuman clearly mentions. And nowhere in Organon he has ever said, use your brains. Anybody show me, this is the place where he says, use your brains in order to understand the symptoms and signs of the given individual. Hitherto you will never get a proper simile. We will make an aphorism maybe. That's the difference to me. But nowhere he has given you. See what he gives you in this thing, little, if you can make the little thing down half. Yeah.